how to save location on Google Maps. So for example here, I want to save the place in Canggu, Bali. So I want to search on Canggu, Bali and search the place that I want to save. For example, I want to save this milk and madu. And beside this call button and share, there is a save button and you want to click on it. And then you can choose whether you want to save it in favorites, want to go, or you can create a new list. I want to create this Bali. Click create, and there you go. And you can also invite your friend. So for example, you want to go to Bali together and want to save the desired location in Bali that you and your friend want to visit. You can just click copy and send them the link in the message. And how to find your saved location is you want to go back to the first page of Google Maps, and then at the bottom of your screen beside explore you want to click EU right here, and then you can see your saved place. And that's it. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.